Let's dive into the fascinating world of dog behaviors. First up, we have the classic spinning before lying down. You might have noticed your pup doing a little dance before settling in. This behavior is rooted in their wild ancestry. Dogs would spin to flatten the grass or leaves to create a comfy spot. So when you see your dog twirling, they're just making sure their bed is perfect. Next, let's talk about zoomies. You know that burst of energy when your dog suddenly races around the house or yard like they've just won the lottery? This is a natural behavior, often triggered by excitement or the need to release pent-up energy. It's their way of having fun. To help manage those zoomies, make sure your dog gets plenty of exercise throughout the day. A good walk or play session can help keep those wild moments in check. Now onto the adorable head tilt. When you talk to your dog and they tilt their head, it's not just cute, it's a sign they're trying to understand you. Dogs are great at picking up on our tone and body language, and that head tilt helps them focus on the sounds they hear. To encourage this behavior, try using different tones when you speak to them. You might just get a few more tilts in response. Have you ever seen your dog scratching at the ground? This behavior can be traced back to their ancestors, who would dig to create a den or to hide food. Even though your dog might not need to dig for survival, they still have that instinct. If your dog is scratching a lot, it could also be a sign of boredom or anxiety. Providing them with toys or engaging in interactive play can help curb this behavior. Next, let's discuss the infamous butt scoot. If your dog is dragging their rear end across the floor, it's often a sign they need a little grooming down there. It could be due to anal gland issues or just a bit of irritation. Regular vet checkups and grooming can help keep your pup comfortable and healthy. Now, the classic puppy dog eyes. When your dog gives you that pleading look, they're tapping into their emotional connection with you. Studies show that dogs have evolved to express emotions that resonate with humans. It's their way of asking for treats or attention. Just remember, it's okay to indulge them occasionally, but moderation is key. Let's not forget about the play bow. When your dog stretches their front legs out while keeping their rear end up, they're inviting you to play. It's a universal dog signal that says, let's have some fun. Engaging in playtime is crucial for your dog's mental and physical health, so take them up on that invitation. Now, if your dog is barking at the mailman or the neighbor, they're likely just being protective. Dogs are naturally territorial, and barking is their way of alerting you to potential intruders. While it's good for them to be vigilant, excessive barking can be a nuisance. Training and socialization can help reduce unnecessary barking. Another quirky behavior is the zooming in circles when they're excited about food. This is a sign of anticipation and excitement. Dogs have a strong sense of smell, and when they catch a whiff of their favorite meal, they can't help but express their joy. To manage this excitement, try feeding them in a calm environment and rewarding them for good behavior during mealtime. Lastly, let's talk about the infamous dog shake. After a bath or when they're excited, dogs shake their bodies as a way to release tension or dry off. It's a natural instinct, and you'll often see them shake after a good romp in the park. Embrace this behavior. It's just their way of saying they're ready for the next adventure. Understanding these common dog behaviors not only helps us connect with our furry friends, but also allows us to provide them with the best care possible. Each quirk tells a story about their instincts and emotions, making our bond with them even stronger.